Well, it is full speed ahead now to a battle for the Sunshine State. Donald Trump about to add to his arsenal thanks to a former rival now turned GOP endorsement. Phil Keating is joining us live from Miami with more. Good morning, Phil.
Good morning. Yeah, there was no mayhem in Miami like all of the previous Republican presidential debates, especially last week in Detroit. But on the stage in Coral Gables at the University of Miami, Donald Trump, the businessman and frontrunner, also dropping an endorsement bomb. Dr. Ben Carson, who dropped out of the race last week, is expected to back the billionaire this morning in Palm Beach.
And it was very interesting. I was with Dr. Ben Carson today, who's endorsing me, by the way, tomorrow morning. And I'm going to have Ben very much involved with education, something that really is an expertise of his.
Now, Florida's huge winner-take-all primary is Tuesday. Last night's debate was the last one prior to the primary, and a couple of new polls suggest that Trump's lead, which was double digits, 20-plus points, perhaps is shrinking. Take a look at the Suffolk University poll just out. Trump 36%, Rubio 27%, Cruz 19%, and Kasich 10%. And a Washington Post Univision poll shows Trump's lead over Rubio just 7%. Keep in mind, Rubio is the home state Florida senator, with Cruz and Kasich backing it up. In Florida, for the Republicans, 99 delegates are at stake, and early voting has been underway already. 1.5 million registered Florida voters have already voted in the Democrat and Republican primaries.
Phil Keating, thanks so much. Appreciate it.